Hi everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, May 1st, which is the very first day of the All Blue Ridge Shop Hop. This is our quilt that I made and designed, and we have kits for this quilt. And if you'd be interested in grabbing them, we have them here in the shop. And you can also order online. But let's go over this way and I can show you the rest of the fabric collection because now we are able to sell it to you. So we have two panels in this group. This group is by Jason Yenter of In the Beginning. He does such a fun and great job with color. He loves color. So this is the seashore themed panel, which we do have a lot of seashore in North Carolina and Virginia. And then this one is the mountains panel, which I used in my quilt. And it has more of that Blue Ridge feel. Looks just like fall in the Blue Ridge. And the nice thing about the panels is you can choose your favorite square to center in my quilt design, and I'm sure in others as well. So let's check out the rest of it. We have a border print, actually two border prints. Let's see, you need to see it this way. This is the mountains border print. Do you have a little bit of the selvage on your side? The design? It's so cute.
Adorable.
And then this is the seashore version of the border print. I really appreciate that he got both sides of those states in because we're, some of the few states that have mountains and seas. So this one's a really fun, this bubble print. Designed by Jason Yenter of In the Beginning Fabrics. This year's All Blue Ridge Shop Hop collection is absolutely stunning. With luscious fall colors and designs featured in both the mountains and the beach, it's perfect for a souvenir of your shop hop or a gift for your favorite North Carolinian, Virginian, or West Virginian. And they are gorgeous fabrics. I love working with In the Beginning fabrics because they also have a really soft hand to them. They're nice to work with. They don't ravel. And this is a really fun print. We've got this one in the blue and the kind of off-white. And I'm sure, no, I guess we didn't get it for the other states. In other stores, you'll find it for Virginia and West Virginia. We just stuck with North Carolina here. These are his famous dit dots, which have gone through a few iterations over the years, and they're so useful. Like, they're just great for all kinds of applications. We have them in lots of different colors. I think this one's called Fire. Nope, that one's Pumpkin. They have great names, though. And this is one of the ones that was designed specifically for the hop. And we have that in gold as well. And then these are called Halcyon. They are blenders by In the Beginning, chosen to go with the quilt shop fabrics. The shop hop fabrics, quilt shop fabrics. These are all quilt shop fabrics. But they're also really useful in that there's a lot of colors in them, so you can use them in lots of ways to match other things. I like that scratchy design too. So that's what we have for you today. The shop hop starts today, obviously, and goes through the end of June. So you have a lot of days to play, and we are open all of them. We are not even closed on Memorial Day. So come and see us with confidence any day of the week. We're open 10 to 5, Monday through Saturday, 10 to 7 on Tuesdays, and 1 to 5 on Sundays. We hope to see you soon. Bye.